Right. This is the second day after the hurricane, and there's a bunch of iron pieces washing up into the pouch. Hello everyone, Jay here. I am at the beach. It's the second day after Hurricane Dorian. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Alright, I have a nickel signal. It's jumpy. It goes from 18 to 51. Let's get it. Should be right there. Set about 3-4 inches. Now it's a solid 18. Oh, solid 22. Scratch that. Alright, it's out of the hole. Hopefully it's in. Shake, shake, shake. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Sunglasses. Into the pouch. Shing. Alright, I have a one-way signal. Where'd it go? Alright, it's saying it's a 54, but it was jumpy just a second ago. There it is, 54 to 60, and it's all over the place, you can see. Let's get it. Alright, there it is, 60 to 50 to 90. 3 inches that way, 3 inches this way, right here. Oh, I hit something. Hopefully I didn't break whatever it is. Alright, rinse, rinse, rinse. And it is a new penny into the pouch. Alright, I had a jumpy signal. It was 70 to 80. Let's see if we can find it. Where'd you go? Touch the coil to the ground real quick. There we go. See? It's a little bit all over the place. Let's get it. Now it's calling out 60 to 70, 50 to... Let's get it. Should be right here, about 3-4 inches. That's what it's calling. Alright, it's in the scoop. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Hopefully it's in the scoop. Alright, we have, what is that? A rusty nickel, or rusty dime, I'm sorry, into the pouch. Surface find. Ugh. One rusty hook into the pouch. Alright, I have a dime quarter signal. Oh man, penny to dime, miscellaneous. Let's get it. It's got a weird wobble to it. Can't be more sunglasses, can it? 2 inches that way, 2 inches this way. Let's get it. Can it be more sunglasses? Now it's a solid 72 dime. I like that. Alright, it's in the scoop. Let's rinse it off. Is there enough to rinse it here? Alright, it is a dime. One corroded dime into the pouch. Gotta have a weird one-way signal. Where'd it go? Alright. It's in the foil range, so it says for now. But let's see if we can get it. Actually, let's get it. Can't hide from pinpoint mode. Four inches this way. 4 inches this way. Alright, it's in the scoop. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Don't see anything in there. Wait. Oh, some more of that metal scrap into the pouch. That's why it was one way. Such a weird signal. Surface find. Ugh. Ugh. Into the pouch. Somebody's trash. Right. Some more iron. A lot of iron washed up into the pouch. I got a big fat 00. I got snake eyes. 001. Never dug anything that was 0 or 01 that was good. It's got to be some kind of weird piece of foil. Let's get it. A can slaw. Five inches here. 5 inches here. Let's get it. It's got to be some kind of foil or something. It's that low. Is it even out of the hole? Did it just get washed away? It just might have. I don't see anything. Saying it's 5 inches, but I just dug it. It's gonna be like right here, right around here. Nothing in there. Yep, tent peg. So weird. I don't know why they do that. Into the pouch. That's 2 for the day. Alright. I have a 40 miscellaneous. Let's get it. 1 inch right here. Oh man. That thing's big. Is that a can? Yep, it's a can. Half a can. Into the pouch. Alright, somebody's trash. Half a can. And welcome to the wrap-up. 2 days after the hurricane, I did find some sunglasses, tent pegs, a little bit of clad, the usual slag, random fish hook, but I did find a bunch of these iron bits. Most of them were surface finds. They were right on the surface. That beach, normally I'll get a couple of them, but yeah, these were all over. Had a good time. It's good to be back out swinging. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.